Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove Apple ID or iCloud account from another device. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, go ahead and open up the Settings app. Tap on it. Now, once you're in here under your Settings app, just got to find your iCloud or Apple ID. So just tap on it. Now, once that's done, go ahead and scroll all the way down. Okay, and you will find a ton of devices right here that is currently using or that is currently tied to your Apple ID or iCloud account. So what you'll do is just got to basically select one that you wanted to remove, tap on it, and then once done, go ahead and tap on remove from account. Okay, and if you want to as well, you can go ahead and change your password from here. All right, and that's basically it. And if you want to as well, if you don't have your iPhone right now, you can go ahead and open up a browser. It could be Chrome or Safari, okay, or any other browser. Now, what you're going to do is just type down, okay, iCloud.com, and you're going to want to add in /find, okay, just like so. Hit on go. Now, in here, just basically sign in, okay, and you'll be able to find all the devices that is currently connected, just like what we have under settings. You just basically tap on it, remove it, and if the device is offline, activation lock is removed immediately. Okay, and it will be removed from Find My Device after 30 days. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.